Don't worry if your refrigerator looks slightly different. The tips may still apply, so feel free to give them a try. Need to rearrange your refrigerator setup? It couldn't be easier to adjust your shelves for spacing needs or remove them for cleaning. First, empty the shelf you want to remove. Then, lift the front edge up and pull it out. To replace the shelf, rest the side edges on any pair of shelf rails and carefully push it back in. See? Pretty simple. Shelves can be cleaned with soap and water or glass cleaner. Let glass components warm to room temperature before immersing in water to prevent damage. Your model may also have door racks or bins. To remove, empty the rack, then push on the sides to release the locking tabs and pull straight out. To replace the rack, push it straight in until you hear the sides lock into place. Racks can be cleaned with soap and water and a soft cloth. For more cleaning tips, check your owner's manual or see our How to Clean Your Refrigerator video. That should do it. Adjusting your shelves and racks should be a snap.